Hi students, before 7 problems completed, 8th question, factorize each of the following. First one, 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. So this one, total x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square like form is there, x plus y whole cube form is there. Means this one convert into 2a whole cube plus b cube, right, b whole cube plus 3 into 2a whole square into b plus b into b plus 3 into 2a into b whole square. Means this total x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square form is there, x plus y whole cube means a plus b whole cube form, like this is form. Here x means 2a, y means b, means 2a plus b whole cube. Whole cube means 3 times, right? That is factors. 2a plus b into 2a plus b into 2a plus b. These 3 factors of 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Second one, 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b square plus 6ab square. So this one write in form of x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square equal to x minus y whole cube form. So like this form, convert this one. 8 we can write 2 cube, like write 2a whole cube minus b whole cube minus 3 into 2a whole square into b plus 3 into 2a into b whole square. So this total, like this form is there. This is formula. So like that, equal to x minus y whole cube. X means what here? 2a. Y means b whole cube. Whole cube means 3 times, right? 2a minus b, 2a minus b, 2a minus b. These 3 factors of given question. Next third question. 1 minus 64a cube minus 12a plus 48a square. This also x minus y whole cube form, convert this one. X cube means 1 cube, we can write 1 cube minus 64 4 cube, 4a whole cube minus 3 into 1 square into 4a a b like x y. 4a plus 3 into 1 into 4a whole square. So this total x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square equal to x minus y whole cube form, like is there. This total formula. So in that x minus y whole cube, x means what? 1, y means 4a whole cube. Cube means write 3 times, 4a, 1 minus 4a, 1 minus 4a. These 3 factors of given polynomial. Fourth one, 8p cube minus 12 by 5p square plus 6 by 25p minus 1 by 125. Means here same form, x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square like form equal to x minus y whole cube form, convert here. 8p cube we can write 2p whole cube minus 3 into 2p square into 1 by 5. Here observe 2 square 4, 4 3s 12, 12 by 5 p square as it is. Next plus 3 into 2p into 1 by 5 whole square. Here 3 2s 6, 5 square 25, 6p by 25, 6p by 25 minus 1 by 5 whole cube. This total x cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square minus y cube means x minus y whole cube form. X what here 2p, y means 1 by 5 whole cube. Cube means what? This 3 times, right? 2p minus 1 by 5, 2p minus 1 by 5, 2p minus 1 by 5. This is answer. 9th question. Verify x cube plus y cube equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. And second one, x cube minus y cube equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Using some non-zero positive integers and check by actual multiplication. Can you call these as identities? First one, see this answer. So first one, given that x cube plus y cube equal to x minus y into x square minus xy plus y square. In that x equal to 2 and y equal to 3 take are two non-zero positive integers. Non-zero positive integers. Non-zero positive integers means in that x y, replacing x equal to 2, y equal to 3. 2 cube plus 3 cube equal to x plus y means 2 plus 3 into x square means 2 square minus x into y, 2 into 3 plus y square 3 square. 2 cube means 8 plus 3 cube 27 equal to 2 plus 3 5 into 2 square 4 minus 2 3s 6 plus 3 square 9. 8 plus 27 35 equal to 5 into here 9 plus 4 13. 13 minus 6 we get 7. 35 equal to 5 sevens 35. This is true. And second one, x equal to here 2 3 complete. Next to 4 5 take x equal to 4, y equal to 5 are two non-positive integers. Non-zero positive integers. Non-positive integers. So replacing x by 4, y by 5 means 4 cube plus 5 cube equal to 4 plus 5 into 4 square minus 4 into 5 plus 5 square. 4 cube 64 plus 5 cube 125 equal to 4 plus 5 9 into 4 square 16 minus 4 5 20 plus 25. Here 64 plus 125 we get 189 equal to 9 into here 41 minus 20. Here 9 into 41 minus 20 we get 21. 189. So 9 into 21 we get 189. Here 189 equal to 189. This is true. And actual multiplication method. So next, actual multiplication method means write actual formula x cube plus y cube equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Take RHS first. RHS equal to this total RHS x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Do this product. Binomial, this is a trinomial. First one term total bracket, x with total bracket multiply x square minus xy plus y square plus second term y total bracket multiply x square minus xy plus y square. X with total bracket multiply x into x square x cube minus xy into x square y plus xy square plus with y total bracket multiply y into x square yx square minus xy square xy into y xy square plus y square into y cube. So after here observe x square y, here xy square x square y x square y x square y plus value minus value get cancelled. Here xy square minus xy square plus xy square get cancelled. Finally x cube minus y cube. This is LHS. So this is true for all non-zero positive integers. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. Second one, x cube minus y cube equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. X equal to 3, y equal to 2 are two non-positive integers, means non-zero positive integers. Means replacing x by 3, replacing y by 2, means 3 cube minus 2 cube equal to x minus y, means 3 minus 2 into x square 3 square plus x into y 3 into 2 plus y square 2 square. Next 3 square means 3 cube 3 into 3 into 3 we get 27 minus 2 cube 2 into 2 into 2 8 equal to 3 minus 2 1 into 3 square 9 plus 3 to 6 plus 2 square 4. 27 minus 8 we get 19 equal to 1 into 9 plus 6 plus 4 we get 19. So 19 equal to 19. This is true. Still let x equal to 5 y equal to 3. Same are two non-zero positive integers. Non-zero positive integers. Then 5 cube minus 3 cube equal to, means x cube minus y cube equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Like 5 minus 3 into 5 square plus 5 into 3 plus 3 square. 5 cube 125 minus 3 cube 27 equal to 5 minus 3 2 5 square 25 5 3 is 15 plus 3 square 9. 125 minus 27 98 equal to 2 into this total add 25 plus 15 plus 9 we get 49. So 49 to 98. 98 equal to 98. This also true. And next to actual division method, actual multiplication. Like actual multiplication means given one as it is, right? X cube minus y cube equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Take this is LHS, RHS. Now RHS take x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Do product x with the total bracket, again minus 5 total bracket. So x into x square plus xy plus y square minus y into total bracket x square plus xy plus y square. X minus y into x square plus xy plus y square means x into total minus y into total bracket. So x multiply with the total bracket means x into x square, x cube plus xy into x square y plus x into y square, xy square minus y into x square or x square y. Here plus into minus xy into y, xy square plus into minus y square into y cube. Here total observe x square y plus x square y minus x square y get cancelled. Next xy square plus xy square minus xy square cancel, remaining x cube minus y cube. What is this? This is LHS. Now RHS equal to LHS. Yes. We call this as an identity because it is true for all non-zero positive integers.